It's live, right? Yeah, it is. Testing, testing. Hello. Ven. Está viendo mucha gente. Testing, testing. Hello. Are you watching right now or no? The live stream? Hmm? Helen. Yo. Yo. Yo, can you hear me? Hello guys, for anyone watching today, um, welcome to our channel. Just begun this Forex journey, and I'm in the learning process of getting everything together and stuff and things like that. So bear with me on that. This whole YouTube thing is a whole new world. Uh, I'm trying to put my knowledge out there to the world. Uh, as you can see, I'm a trader. I've been trading for about 6 years. Um, I have experienced everything you could experience as a trader. Um, and became pretty good at it. So I really want to share this knowledge with everybody that's watching, and everybody wants to learn. I'm here for that. As you can see today, by the green and red line, if you don't know what that is, that means the red line means that was my stop loss, and the green line means that was my TP, where I took my profit from the market. As you can see, I don't know, there you go. That was today. That was today, right here. And the only reason that this is closing like that is because I'm closing percentages um, of my trade. So that is why. But yeah, 40 pip trade today. So it was an easy day. Um, I expected and I expected the market to have the continuation of London session. As you can see, London session was pretty volatile. Moved pretty nice. Broke above this wicks around here. And later on, I'm gonna start going in with more detail when I'm doing more live trading. Unfortunately, today I was trying to get everything set up with YouTube and things like that, and I wasn't able to get on live while I was in my trade and before I got in my trade. So uh, in the coming days, probably that's gonna change. I'm gonna be able to be more organized with this and have everything set up for you guys. Um, as the market stands right now, we are still bullish in the higher time frames. Candles are still closing bullish. Um, so I will look for confirmations to the upside, either a pullback to this level here or a break of this new high that we just made. But if you want, you can start looking in the lower time frame so you can see uh, more confirmations in real time to give you an idea of where we are reacting to and where we're heading. Okay. By the way, guys, in the description below is our free Telegram. There you can see all of our proof and not proof, but you can see the trades that we have taken and things like that. 30 minutes still has no top wick. We'll have to see how much more of a pullback this is gonna have. I'm gonna start watching this level here. So yeah, guys, if you want to get in, looking for more buys, if you missed this trade, look for confirmations around this level here. If you look, if you see candles start closing bullish, that's a good indication that we might still keep going up. So another thing I want to go over, guys, as you can see, I am a funded trader. Um, as you can see by my MT4 here open inside, I chose from a long time ago. I chose FTMO, and honestly, it's been great. I mean, uh, FTMO is quick to answer, professional. They have a great page. I mean, honestly, no complaints, no complaints. They pay as fast as possible. Um, I have no problems with them, and my journey with them has been pretty awesome, if I can tell you, to be honest. I've changed my life. I changed the life of me and my wife. Changed the life of my family, and that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, um, doing this live stream and able to do this live stream. Um, have the financial freedom to start new projects in my life, like today. Um, and also share my knowledge. I feel like I always felt that uh, once you have this knowledge and you are able to help people, I think I think is kind of the purpose of life, right? To share your knowledge with the world, right? Um, so so yeah, yeah. As you can see, I am a FTMO trader. Uh, you can see um, my profits already for these 2 weeks. So I don't know if you guys know this, but in FTMO, you get paid bi-weekly, so every 15 days. Um, I started my 15 days, um, like I already been trading for a whole week, so to this week I started my second week, so I'll be getting paid uh, around the 30th. So far, since you are an FTMO trader, when you pay for an account, you get an $100,000 account. So as you can see, that's what I have, and so far my profits for these 2 weeks have been $10,219. So unfortunately, um, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys all the trades I had, but I can give you a little glimpse. But in the coming days, since I already have all this YouTube stuff set up, I will be live every day at 7. Okay? Let me actually put it here on the page. So yeah, this right here has been my profits for the month, as you can see. I mean, sorry, for my 2 weeks. And then here are losses, wins, and so on. You can see I close a lot of trades. It's just I use this little bad boy right here, and I'm able to close percentages of my trade. Um, so yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. Um, as you can see, we did have a little bit of reaction here to this level. Um, since I already had my trade for today, I was not really looking for a trade no more. Uh, I already had my trade today. Uh, but there is more opportunities to get in the market. Okay, just like this one today. As soon as this 5 minute closed, uh, wait for the pullback, get in, put your stop loss below this one. I think it was like a 6 pip stop loss, or maybe you get out here, maybe 10 pip stop loss. That's a good win to river ratio. Your TP could have been all the way where the high was made, which is like about 30 pips. Could have been a really nice trade. If you haven't gotten in yet there, I suggest you wait for the other 5 minutes to open, see how it reacts, see how it pulls back. Also move on to the 15 minutes, see if this 15 minute is broken, see where the next 15 minute closes. And also a reminder, guys, 4 hours about to close. Okay. The reason that we always look at the 4 hours is because it's a really important candle. Okay, is 4 hours until one of these candles is formed. So you have to wait for that confirmation. Okay. And also once a 4 hour opens, usually the market has a strong pullback to grab liquidity and continue the move to where we're heading. But as you can see, we respected this level that we created from before. could have been a really really nice entry. So around here with that 5 minute close. I will wait right now, guys. I will wait. We haven't made a bottom wick yet, so I would wait. Okay, I would wait for the 4 hour to open. Okay, and then maybe we have another chance to enter once we have a pullback and we have another confirmation. Okay, but I would wait for more for 9 a.m. to start. guys? If you just got here to the channel, welcome. This is a live Forex stream. Here you can see me trade. You can see me share my knowledge in my trades too, and also you could see my analysis before my trades. Okay, we're gonna talk about a lot about Forex, psychology, a lot about those things. As you can see today, I already had my trade, um, which was about 45, 46 pips. I did close a percentage once we reached 167, but then close everything else once we made this high right here. I'm sorry guys that everything is a little bit disorganized. I am still trying to figure it out, all these YouTube things, but bear with me, okay? Um, for those of you that just got here, I am a forex trader. Um, been doing this for about 6 years, and I decided, because I'm free and able, I decided to put my knowledge out there to the world, and help as many people as I can. And yeah, thankfully, uh, this forex journey has changed my life, and I want that same thing for a lot of people. Okay, I want that same thing. So if you're here, comment, subscribe. Um, so yeah, let's get it rolling and have this beautiful journey. For those of you that are new, um, I know Forex could be a little bit daunting. I know Forex could be a little bit confusing. Um, well, bad news. It is confusing. It is daunting. But if if there's a will, I forgot the phrase. But if you put your effort into it, you will eventually learn. Okay. It is not impossible to learn. It is not impossible to make money on this. Uh, Anybody could do it, but it takes a lot of will to learn. Um, and it takes a lot of focus, and it takes for you to basically fall in love with it. You know, I fell in love with this. I fell in love with this process. I fell in love with this world, and been doing it for 6 years, and I'm not tired of it. Every day is a new challenge. Every day is a new. Every day is different. You know, every day it's a new learning process, and that's what I love about it. And I love that I'm able to be right. You know, I'm able to be right in my analysis. I love that when I get in a trade, I am confident, and it took me a long time to it took me a long time to reach that, but I never gave up. To be honest, I never gave up, and I went through everything. I went through losses. I went through stress. I went through all of it. I mean, and it's part of the journey, and you have to be willing to go through all of that to learn how to get to this point. So I did have my trade today already. Um, I think it was. I'm not sure how much profit it was, but I think it was. So I'm up $10,000 right now, but it was. Um, I'll tell you guys right now. So yeah, so today's profit was $3,000. $3,000 for today's profit. I did catch 46 pips, but um, I did close half once we reached this level here. So this level here, I close half and then let the other half go up here, and then I close around here. Um, so yeah. Um, I will be looking for another entry if it presents itself. I'm still waiting for this 4 hour to close. The new 4 hour will open soon. Um, so I'm still trying to figure this thing out, man. This thing is, I want to make it nice, so you guys can see it and it's always there. I'm still learning, but I will figure it out, okay? But yeah, join our free Telegram, guys. It's free. You can go there. You can see our trades. You can see the trades we have taken. Obviously, we we will have a signal page on the side, but if you guys want to join that, um, I will be um, preparing that for you guys later on, soon actually, and because I'm working on the numbers of how much I'm gonna charge and things like that. Other than that, I will also have a group that you guys could join that we will do every day a live Zoom call, and you will also see me trading here, but you will be part of my group. You will see when I take my trades. You will see live trading, uh, um, and yeah, and also it will be a group that we're gonna share more of our knowledge of how we got here and what made us successful. Obviously, I'm not gonna give everything away here on YouTube. I'm gonna give to you guys as much as possible to help you guys, but I believe that this knowledge that I have is worth something, so I will be charging for it. Okay, you're free to join our free YouTube channel every day. We will talk about strategies. We will talk about entries. We will talk about setups. Um, but there is more to that to actually be successful at trading. Okay, and I will provide that in a more private, separate channel where I could be um, more face to face with you guys and more one-on-one, if you could say. So those people that join our group, you guys are part of a family. Um, we will have all the answers to your questions, um, and we will really, really focus on helping you succeed on this process if you're willing to go through this journey of forex trading. That is a great journey, and I really recommend it to you. If you have the willpower to do it, just do it. Okay. As you can see, the new 4 hour open. Um, we barely made a bottom wick, which is fine. Looks like we are gonna continue going up, but I will watch this level here. I will be careful to this level here. See what happens around this level. See if we have any reactions. Look at the 5 minute. See if we have any reactions. And just wait. Well, guys, whoever's here, like and subscribe. We will be putting free live streams every day. Well, all weekdays, um, as much as possible, so I could start get this ball rolling. To get as many people as possible to join our group and and to learn. I mean, I'm really excited for for this next step in my life. And help as many people as I can. I really want to help as many people as I can. Um, I know a lot of people right now are struggling with the economy right now and are looking for another stream of income and I really recommend this this way, this stream of income. It does take time to learn, but it's possible. Okay, I did it. Many people have done it. It is possible. Okay, there's a lot of, as you can see, I am a funded trader. There's a lot of funding companies out there right now. That world has grown a lot, and and now you don't even need your own money. I mean, you could use these platforms and use their capital. And if you know what you're doing, and if you're able to capitalize from it, you're able to make a lot of money. Okay. Um, so if you have any questions, I'll be looking in the chat, guys. You could talk there. If you have any questions, let me know. We do have a free Telegram, so go join that. Sorry guys. As you can see, uh, I was expecting a reaction to this level around here. Let me remove this. I'm sorry. Let me remove this. I was expecting a reaction around this level here. Um, it is a strong level, and since the new 4 hour opened, uh, usually it's very rare that we don't have some sort of stronger pullback, right? Pullback to make uh, a liquidity graph like we see here, like we see here, we see here, we see here. Usually we make those kinds of pullbacks. So when it doesn't happen, it's very like rare, and you have to be really careful if you're thinking of going long. You think you're getting a buy and getting in a buy. You have to be careful with that because it could potentially have another pullback either to this level again, respect it, or it could react to a one around these levels that we reactions that we had here. So it's like a new level that we made here. Um, so be aware of that. Be aware of that, and again, trading is all about patience. Okay, it's all about patience. It's all about waiting for the right time to enter, and and that's it. Um, for me today, I already had my trade. Usually I don't trade more than that. If I had one trade and I was successful, I don't want to risk any more of my profits. I already had a really good day, $3,000 profit today. So um, why risk that, right? Why risk that? You cannot be greedy. Also, you can be greedy in this game. All right, you can be greedy. You can be greedy in anything in life, basically. So once you make that profit, once you are in profit for the day, guys, it's up to you, but why trade more? You know, unless it's a really great confirmation, a really easy confirmation, then yeah, I mean, I would even get in, okay? But right now, I'm iffy about this. You know, I don't trust it yet. I don't trust this setup right now. Okay, we had a reaction here. Cardinals are closing bullish, but we have to see what do we do here. Still haven't made any strong bottom wick, but it does look like it will continue. Again, it's all up to you. I mean, this could have been an entry too. I mean, it's just from my experience. Um, I don't like getting into situations. So again, guys, if you have any questions, be free to ask in the chat. Um, we're here to answer them, so don't be afraid. Um, about any questions. So So, I will be looking for a trade if we have some sort of pullback um to the downside. See, like I told you guys about this level, um, I didn't trust it. I mean, that's why you have to be patient with this. It, the that 4 hour hasn't made a topic. And this is what usually happens in these situations. But I will be looking for a trade. I am still bullish with GJ. As you can see, the par trade is GJ, JBP, JPY, which is the pound with the gin. Um, and I will be looking for more confirmations of a trade if we maybe decide to come back to this level around here, um, respect it again, and get around this level to continue to the upside. But we'll see. We have to wait and see. Be patient and see. Okay, so we have a question. If buys play out, what will be your target? So if buys play out, it depends. So if we decide to come back to this level, right? Or maybe come respect this level, then if it decides to come back to this level here, which is about 166 point 800, yeah, around this level here. Um, then my TP will be the highs that we just made, right? And that's about, if let's say I get in here, that's about 40 pips. That's about $400 in this trade, so that will be my TP. But if let's say I don't get around here and I want to be more patient and I want to get in more confirmations, so I want to get in the high or break of the high, then I will have to look into this side, right? Of always look to the left. In Forex, you always have to look to the left to look for TPs, to look for to look for targets to take profit. So as you can see, um, there's multiple targets here. There's multiple targets. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so this one here. So that would be one TP that we could look at. Um, and also, if we look on the lower time frames, um, sorry for the lines. This level here could also be important. This zone here could also be important. So that could be another place that I could potentially close some of my profits, not all of it, but yeah, that will be my target for today. Overall target is all the way at 168.500. Okay, that's my overall target for this week. For this week, that's my overall target. Maybe we get there, maybe we don't, but it's expectations I have for this week. Okay. put the trade I have for today. I just want to see you guys my trade today. Oh, guess we froze. So we are beginning to kind of go back to this zone here. Um, I still don't trust it. I'm still waiting. Um, there's a lot of there's a lot of stoppage here. There's a lot of reactions to this level around here. So as you can see, we are reacting to it. So the new 4 hour just opened at 9 o'clock, and we still haven't made a decent pullback. And that is what I'm waiting for potential entries for this trade. If you see 30-minute, it still looks bullish. Hour, the hour still looks bullish. Um, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Still don't like this setup. Fortunately, I was able to get in this, and I can actually explain. Let me explain this trade real quick, guys. So woke up around 6:30, and I saw that all throughout London we did have um, a good move. So we had a push on London session, and usually what I've seen from experience is that when London has those kind of pushes to the upside or to the downside, and and is following the trend, usually New York session will continue that same move. Okay, or it will have some sort of huge pullback and continuation to the downside. But as you can see, as soon as I woke up, I was in these candles here. I was watching these candles, and the first click in my head that I had is that um, these candles looked like they were dying off because some we still had a lot of uh, buys strength in the market, and it was just probably a liquidity graph. People closing their orders after taking profits from London session, and it was just the market making some sort of pullback. But the first thought I had in my head is that once we started, uh, once we started, sorry, let me get this little brush. Okay, once we started breaking this highs, like this high and low formation that these candles were making, once we start breaking this, then I knew that we were probably gonna continue this uh, trend of going of this upper trend, okay, this buy trend. So that was my expectation. So as soon as this candle closed, not only in the 30-minute but also in the 15-minute, Um, I did wait for this. I did wait for a confirmation or a pullback or something like that, so to get a better, more sniper entry, to get a better position on the trade, so that I'm not so much in drawdown and things like that. And I think I did get in around, yeah. So this is what I was looking at. So I saw that it was doing this. It came back, and then I got around this level when I saw the volume. When I saw when I saw the volume of this candle here, I decided to get in. And once I got in, I didn't let these candles here um, take me away from my analysis. Sometimes this is just normal market conditions. Sometimes the market, even though we are still heading up, it's not like it's gonna go there uh, right away. Um, it does take sometimes. So um, I hold my trade, and I was just waiting. I lead the way. I had my TPs here. I already had my managed trade. I knew when I was gonna get out if anything went wrong, and just waited until it continued what I was expecting. One thing I would tell you guys is always stick to your analysis. Okay, don't be afraid to always stick to your analysis. Okay, if you're expecting for a push, if you're expecting for a push for the upside after you saw London was pushing, after you saw all the candles are being bullish, and like these situations that we have here today, then go for it and stick to that analysis, okay? And be confident with it and be patient with it, okay? Let it play out. Don't start closing right away. Don't panic. You have to let things play out, okay? So that was my trade for today. Also, another confirmation, as you can see that you might have tried to gotten in. I did see this, but I wanted more confirmation. I wanted more because I didn't know if it was gonna have a more of a pullback. But you could also, as soon as this 15-minute close bullish, you could also like gotten in on this right here, stop loss down here, and have this trade. Okay. Sorry, hold on. Let me delete all this stuff. So yeah, it was. What did I get in? I got in. Uh, yeah, around right here. Okay. And it was about like a 30 minute wait for that trade. So yeah, guys. Um, we are reaching this level again. It looks like. I mean, let's see. I mean, we did have a strong reaction just a little bit ago, but we'll see what happens. I mean, we could still break it. I mean, even though we still haven't made, like I said, a decent pullback, uh, maybe this is a formation of a high. Maybe we are forming a high right now. That's why it's really important for you to wait and get in something you like. Okay, don't get in something because it looks like it's doing something. It looks like it's gonna go up. No, get in something that gives you confirmation that you're confident on, and go from there. Okay, it could go up 50 pips, but that's not the point of this. Okay, you want to be consistent with and you want to be comfortable with what your analysis is. Okay, no FOMO around here, guys. Okay, no FOMO. I love that word or phrase. No FOMO. I mean, it's true. I mean, hey, I went through FOMO for a while, for a long time. I went through FOMO. I mean, I would see trades go left and right, like, and I was like, man, how the hell I'm just missing this stuff, man? Like, I want to get, I mean, I wanted to make money. I mean, but it was a learning process. It was a learning process to to become patient. Okay, become patient in in this business. To wait for the right moment to get in. Not just get in because you're speculating or you're gambling or you're guessing. You don't want to guess. This game, in this world, in trading, you don't want to guess. Okay, you want to have some strong analysis and go from there. Okay, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what kinds of setup we what kinds of setups uh GG gives us today. Okay, so let's just wait and see. Sorry guys, one second. Um, Sorry guys, I was just getting some orange juice. Um, yeah, we're still playing around this level. Let's see. Uh, we are having a little bit of reaction. Um, so again, just waiting to see what happens. By the way, guys, today I am talking here by myself, but I do have a group of people and a group of friends that they're like my family, and they have gone through this journey with me of trading, and they do have a lot of knowledge also on trading. Um, we grew together on this world of forex trading, and they have a lot of knowledge that they want to share. Unfortunately, today they're not available, but during the coming days, we will be all together here, talking, analyzing, talking about different things. I mean, different things that you can learn about. So um, I'm excited for that, and you should be too. I mean, this gonna be a lot of information in this channel. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of information, and all you have to do is come to the live streams every day at 7 a.m. Eastern time, and just listen. Just listen. Okay. So as you can see, we might be reaching this level soon. Um, from what it looks right now, the new 15-minute open, we did have a nice low pullback, grab some liquidity, and looks like we might have some we might got some strength to continue this bullish move. Yep, looks like we're gonna reach a target, guys. Hmm. What a nice, wow, that was a lot of volume right there. That was a big move to the upside, and we literally ejected in minutes. But if you guys got in this trade, I mean, congrats to you guys. There was a lot of chances here to get in. I didn't like it. I'm not confident. I didn't feel confident on it. This this zone right here is things like that could happen a lot. Like those little pullbacks. If you go to the lower time frames, you could see all this right, this mess. So I'm waiting for more of a like a bigger pullback, and then confirmations, and then uh, continuing the move. Um, there's a term in trading that is true to forever, true to this day, true to forever. Always get in. If you want to buy, if you want buys, always get in on the lows. If you want sells, always get in on the highs. Okay? So always try to look for to get um, as low as possible for buys. Okay? If that's where your analysis is. So buy low, sell high. Okay? So for anyone new watching, guys, you can ask any question in the chat. I will be happy to answer. I'm here maybe till like 10, 10:30. We'll see. Um, I am done for today. I did have my trade today. So um, there's not much I could do today other than be here for you guys and answer any questions. Uh, but other than that, I am still waiting maybe to see if we have some sort of a pullback or something like that to have another chance to get in the market. But so far I don't see anything. Okay, so far I don't see anything. Another thing, yeah, guys, that's why I'm saying it's really important to buy low, because you don't want to get caught up on the highs, right? What happens when you start entering on the highs of a trade? This starts happening, right? This starts happening, this starts happening, this starts happening, this starts happening, right? You don't want to be caught up on that because as soon as you enter the trade, um, let's say you enter in this highs right here, you're gonna be 12 pips in drawdown. I mean, 12, 10, 8 pips in drawdown. I mean, that's a lot of money. You don't want to be in the situation. It is stressful. You don't want to see your account losing money. You don't want to see none of that. So how do you prevent that? Well, get in the lows, right? Wait for these kinds of pullbacks, right? When the market makes a high, it makes a strong pullback. We get confirmation, and then we visit the highs again, and we continue, right? But the risk to reward ratio becomes a lot less, right? Because now your TP maybe your stop loss maybe is only like 10 pips, but you you have a strong confirmation and you're able to get all of this. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so yeah, so always wait for some sort of pullback. Always wait for something like that to re-enter the market. And it will make, guys, I'm telling you, it will make your life a lot easier. It will make your life a lot easier. So this 5 minute close bearish, we are starting to create a storm resistance here. So we're starting to create a high. So here I will move my thing a little bit. So you guys can see, this lines is just so you guys can see like an illustration of what I'm looking at, right? But so yeah, um, but it does look like we are forming some sort of a resistance here. We will wait for stronger candles to close, like the 15, 30, and hour candles, to see what's gonna happen. Okay. For anyone that just joined this live channel today, welcome, welcome. Uh, Thank you for joining. We are here on a live stream on 7 a.m. Eastern time every day. Um, sorry, every weekday. Uh, the purpose of this channel is to share my knowledge in this forex journey that I've gone through. I have a 6 years experience in trading. Thankfully, um, it's been a journey that I have enjoyed. It's been a journey that I've gone through everything a trader can go through. Um, but I put a goal in my head that I was gonna become a successful trader one day, and and I eventually saw that to fruition. Okay, so if you guys are new to this, if you guys are new to this forex world, don't be afraid. There is a lot of scammers out there. There is a lot of people that put false information, and their whole purpose is to um, basically sell you courses that that have no good information in it. Like, I mean, it's literally things that you can find online, you know, and they don't even give you a one-on-one. Um, they don't even give you a one-on-one live stream or something that is free, or they don't give you a private group that you do a zooms and you talk and you do one-on-ones and you answer questions. They don't do that. I mean, this I feel like they don't care, to be honest. They just care to they just care for the money you have, you know. But I am here to help you guys as much as I can. I decided at this point in my life, and I have long how long I've been trading, um, and the success story I have, that I was ready. I was ready to share my knowledge, and help as much people as I can. Um, and I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited, and I started this journey. I'm still trying to figure it out, this YouTube things and things like that. I'm still trying to get better. I will get better. Um, Once I put a goal in my head, I don't stop until I perfect it. And yeah, I mean, welcome if you're here. Welcome to my channel. Um, Here every day at 7 a.m. We'll be doing live forex trading. Obviously, you can see the pair I trade is GBP APY, and you will learn as much as possible here, and I will teach as much as possible here. Other than that, guys, if you want, uh, there's a free Telegram in the description below. Please go follow it. Click in that link, and you can join a free Telegram. There you will see the trades we taken, analysis, things like that, and yeah, um, that will also help a lot. You can see what we are all about, and yeah, I mean, thank you. Subscribe and join me on this journey. And if you have any questions, please be free to ask on the chat. Okay, I will answer them. Also, for those of you that just got here, I am still waiting. I already had a trade this morning. Um, as you can see here, I will have. Sorry. As you can see here, I already had a trade this morning. I was able to get in on this move, but I am still looking for other confirmations to get maybe another long entry, another buy. So yeah, so what I'm doing right now is literally just waiting, being patient. Okay. Right now we are reacting to this level a lot, so um, we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see. I'm not confident yet on this trade opportunity. I'm not. I don't like this too much. By the way, guys, the Telegram still doesn't have. Uh, I think it doesn't have any content yet on it, or a little bit of content. Well, actually, it doesn't have any content on it, but we will start posting basically every day. Okay, so just follow it, and you will start seeing uh, everything being posted there. Okay. Sorry, guys. Am I frozen? Sorry, guys. I think I think I was muted all this time. My bad. Um, so I don't know what I got out there, but yeah, what I was talking about is that um, I have a new Telegram where where I'm gonna post all the results, and I'm gonna post analysis and things like that. So it's a free Telegram. It's in the description below. Please go go follow it. Go click the link. Also, please guys subscribe. Like the video, like the live stream. I will be doing this every day. Um, for around 7 a.m. to like 10 p.m. Eastern time, and thank you for watching. We are here. I am still waiting to see if there's another confirmation for buys. It does look good right now, like it will continue. But since I already had a trade for today, I am not being aggressive no more. So I am just waiting for something more. So a better. I'm still waiting for like a better entry because we are on the highs, and guys, don't never get in the highs. Never get in the highs. Trust me, it's not profitable in the long run. You are gonna lose a lot of trades. So again, get in on the lows. So buy low, sell high, okay? Never buy on the highs, okay? And never sell on the lows. So yeah, I'm just waiting here. Um, but if you have any questions, please be free to ask on the chat, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Well, sorry guys, I think there is some sort of thing going on with my camera, so I will try to fix it now, okay? Sorry about that. There we go. I think I fixed it. Yep, I think I fixed it. Wow, so I was all this time with my image frozen and you guys didn't tell me anything. Wow, man. Wow. Well, it's fixed, okay? It's fixed. So yeah, guys, I will be ending the live stream around 10:30. Um, I'm still hopeful to see maybe we get another entry and we can have a live trade here for you guys. But I, I still haven't seen anything I liked other than the trade I had this morning. I still haven't seen nothing I liked. So again, just waiting for confirmations. Again, these highs right here are really, really having a lot of reactions. So I am not confident on entering any trades right now around this level. I will wait for more confirmations if we do come back to around these levels here and then also wait for confirmations to get in for more buys. But let's see when that happens, because for me, I do have a rule that I only trade till around 10:30 every day, so no more than that. I mean, I really don't like to be sitting here for a long time. So yeah, um, 1 second, guys. So yeah, I don't like to be here for a long time, and one of the things that you have to do as a forex trader is create some good routines, create a time zone where you are gonna trade, and always stick to that same strategy. Okay, always stick to that same. Um. So yeah, I don't like to be here for a long time. My bad. Always stick to that same routine. Okay, routines are very, very, very important in trading. Okay, they're very important. Create a routine. Wake up every day at the same time. Trust me, guys, it works. It works. Okay, I've gone through it all. Okay, I've gone through trading till 5 a.m. in the morning and over trading and I've gone through all those things. And trust me, guys, in the long run, it doesn't work. You might get lucky for a few trades. You might get lucky for a few days, but in the long run, it's not gonna work, guys. Trust me. Trust me. I've gone through it, and I don't want you guys to go through that. Okay. So try to always create a routine. Try to always create a time zone where you're gonna trade. And and yeah. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, please be free to ask on the chat below, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Okay. I will make all this YouTube thing work. Um, I'm still ordering some equipment that I'm buying for the stream. I need a mic. I'm getting another monitor. Uh, yeah, I'm getting everything set up. I want this stream to be as smooth as possible. I want it to be as interactive as possible, and so the viewers have a great experience here. And I will be getting all that set up in the coming days. Today it is my first stream, and I am very excited. It's a long time coming. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but unfortunately, I never felt like I was ready. But now I feel more ready than ever. Okay, my life is in a really good place right now. I'm able to trade for a living. Have other businesses on the side, and dedicate my time to this. Okay, dedicate my time to this, and share the knowledge that I have gained throughout the years in this forex world. And share that knowledge with you guys. And share that knowledge with you guys, and help you guys. You know, I'm here to help. So yeah, guys, as you can see, um, we did start a new hour, And am I am expecting, sorry, I am expecting for a deeper pullback, okay? I'm expecting it. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but that's what I want to see. Um, Candles are closing bullish, no bearish candles in the higher time frames. So there is a lot of buy pressure right now. Buyers are getting in the market and they're pushing it. So we'll have to wait and see. Um, but I am expecting a deeper pullback for today. Not sure what happened. We're already at 10 a.m. But there's still time for the market to do all kinds of stuff. So we'll see. We'll see. So right, for example, I want to talk about this. I want to talk about where we are right now. So I'm not saying this right here is not a valid entry. I'm not saying it's not a a good opportunity to enter the market. But what I'm saying is that we are on a high. Okay, so we are on a high, and this is the high that we created today. So usually we are on a high and we are rejecting and we have rejection candles. That means that a pullback is coming. Okay, that means that we are gonna create a resistance. So there are resistances and there are supports. So we are gonna create a resistance and potentially go back to levels that we previously visited. Okay, so that's why I'm not confident on entering trades here. As you can see, it's more of a range right now, other than anything else, and yeah, I'm just not confident entering it now. You could enter. I mean, it's candles are still closing bullish, but I don't recommend it, guys. I don't recommend it, especially if you already had a great trade from earlier. I don't recommend getting on this. Okay, wait for wait for a deeper pullback for to get in a better entry so you have less risk because that's what you want. You want less risk on your trades. Trying to figure it out what how can I so yeah this wait, was it this today? No, that's another one. No, this is not today. My bad. This is not today. Okay, yeah. So this today right here was my trade. As you can see, this is the price I got in at, which it was around right here. That's the price I got in at. So that was my trade for today, and I was able to catch around 30 pips. I mean, I did catch 40 pips, but the thing is that I closed half once we reached around 30 pips. I did close half, so I did win like around $33,000 today. That was my profit for today. That's why I haven't been any more aggressive for any other entries. I already have my profits. There's no need to be aggressive once you already made money. Okay. I already had that one trade today. Always, guys, try to stick to minimum of trades. Try to stick to only get, try to get in the market as less as possible. Okay. At least maybe uh 1 to 3 times every day. Okay. At least. No, I really don't recommend more than that. I really don't recommend more than that. Because then that would there will be more chances of you losing if you do that. If you start getting aggressive and if you start over trading, that's not a good thing when you start doing that. You're gonna start seeing a lot of losses. Okay. So once you have that win, enjoy it, enjoy your day, be happy, and move on to the next day. But again, if you do see something that you like again or something you're expecting, like for example, I am expecting for this to have a deeper pullback and create another uh, support around this level here, then there's a potential that I could still get in the market again because it's something that I am expecting. Okay, it's something that I'm expecting. It's something that I've been waiting for. Okay, so always stick to your analysis. That's one thing, guys, that I'm gonna keep repeating on this channel. That's one thing that I'm gonna keep repeating on this channel. Always, always, always stick to your analysis. Always. Okay. Be confident. Like don't drift from it. Like even if you're not seeing it as soon as you get in the trade, just wait. I mean that's why you got in. You got in because you were confident on it. Okay. You got in because you saw something that you've seen before. Okay. So give it a chance. Be patient and wait. Okay. And the same thing goes to when you are looking for a trade. Okay. Give it time. Give it time to set up for you. Give it time to look a certain way that you like. Okay, give it time to give you confirmations. Um, and and that's it. That's the game right there. Um, it's easy to say, but it's hard to do. That's why you have to practice, and that's why you have to learn and dedicate a lot of time to this game. Okay, but trust me, guys, you can do it. You can do it. If I did it, you can do it. You can do it too. Um, Another thing, for those of you aggressive traders, there's also a chance here to get in on sales, okay? Because we are creating a resistance. So once we create a resistance after making a high, usually we have a push to the downside. To even though we are trending, we're in a bullish trend. You could grab some pips. I mean, you could grab some 30 pips, 20 pips. I mean, that's a good trade. So for those of you that are aggressive like that, I mean that's a trade that I also get in on. But again, I already have my trade, so I won't be looking for that. But in another chance, in another day, if I was in a situation that I haven't had a trade yet and this presented itself, it's a trade that I will consider. Okay. Once this candle closes and gives you confirmation of uh, a good resistance being formed, or you could even get in once the break of this, like you see here. But I will wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Okay, I will wait. You still have a chance to get in. The new 15-minute candle is about to open, so you still have a chance to get in if that's what you're looking for. Okay, so the 15 minutes is open. So those of you that want to get in, maybe that was a great chance. But I do recommend you guys to wait and see. Well, guys, I actually have to go. Today was the beginning of this trading journey. For you guys and for me also. I'm starting a new chapter in my life in this YouTube world of live stream or whatever. But I just I'm ready to share my knowledge out there to the world. And thank you for all of you guys to subscribe, and thank you for all you guys that joined this live stream. I really really appreciate it. Again, um, I will be doing this every day at 7 a.m. Eastern time. Please be free to join our Telegram. I will be posting I will be posting charts there and analysis and things like that for free, and the trades that I had today too. So, and also in the coming days. So uh, be happy to click that link and join it, and guys subscribe and like the video, and thank you. Um, well, see you.